Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. Today in this episode I am going to train you on how you people can copy or move an Excel sheet from one spreadsheet to other. Now, a lot of time people what happens is when we are preparing a compiling report, and I've seen people doing this thing also, that they do control C and control V. But I'm going to train you on something today which is going to be an easy shortcut. Just with the help of one click you people can copy paste the data. But you know what happens is when you do the control C and control V part, a lot of time the formatting goes off. But the option that I'm going to train you people today, with that option the formatting is going to stay intact. Okay, so let's begin over people. For that I have created two spreadsheets actually. One is with the name of the sheet 1 and the second one I have created with the name of my data. So what I'm going to do is I need this second sheet, which is my data, to be copied into the first one that I've just shown you. So how exactly we need to do is, that is what I'm going to train you today people. So please watch the steps very carefully, because this is going to be an easy way out and a solution for majority of your problem, because you can do that with the help of one click. Okay, now whenever we are going to utilize this option and we are going to use this option, you need to ensure that both the sheets they are opened. Only then we will be able to move or copy the sheet from one spreadsheet to other. Okay, so let's say, as I've stated, that this is the my data second sheet that I've created, and I want that this table to be moving into the first Excel sheet which I've created over here, and that's what I'm going to do it. So let's now quickly do it people. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open the second sheet. So this is the second sheet which we have opened up. What you need to do is you need to go to the sheet on which the table is there, or your content is, your data is there. Right click with the help of the mouse and then you have to click on move or copy. The moment you will click on move or copy, there would be a dialog box which would come in front of you. Now you need to understand this dialog box very carefully. People, please understand, this operation we have to perform on the sheet which we are planning to move into the other, not on the first sheet. Okay, because if you will be performing this action on the first sheet, and the first sheet would be copied to the second one, not the second into the first. So please ensure you need to perform this action on the sheet which you are planning or you're intending to move. So as I'm saying that this is the sheet that I'm planning to move, and I would like to move this to the sheet 1. So that's the first workbook which I'm trying to do it. What I would be doing is I need to click on that, the first sheet, and then my first sheet is already occupied in the previous sheet. So what I would be doing is I will be selecting sheet 2 and then I have to click on create a copy. Okay, alright, and then I will be clicking on OK. Now the moment I have clicked on create a copy people, what exactly has happened is this sheet, now you can see that on the first sheet I have the first table and on the second sheet I have the second table, which you people can automatically rename it in order to name the data, which is, so this was my data, so you can automatically copy. Now what exactly has happened, as you people have already seen it, when I'm using or utilizing this option which is my data, one of the benefit of utilizing that is that my formatting is intact. Whatever was the color of the table or any plan of action that was there on the table or on that sheet, that has moved or copied into exactly the same manner, the formatting has not gone. So this is how people you do it. And once again, please ensure people, when you're using or utilizing this option which is move or copy, you need to be very careful, as I'm saying, that this action needs to be performed on that sheet which you're planning to move into the other. It should not be vice versa, because if you're going to do the vice versa thing, then the things are not going to be into the similar fashion. So I have made this video a little bit short people. I would request you to please quickly go ahead and go ahead and try it out yourself and utilize this option, and it is going to be an easy way out. And those viewers who are watching my channel and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way. In case of any queries, in case of any doubts, you can approach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also approach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or on the Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubians, and the links of all these three videos is given in the description. Okay, so thank you very much, people, for watching my channel, and have a nice day ahead.